now, as far as I can understand it, is we're exploring how to integrate the different planes of our awareness together. We take the oneness and we bring it back into form, and we merely become instruments of the transmission of spirit into matter. And the world is the way it is. You live with the paradox that it is all perfect, and at the same moment it all stinks. On one plane it's all perfect. It's just law manifesting. It is the beauty of God in form, all of it. There is suffering, and what are you going to do about it? And that's an interesting paradox to live with. Those are two planes of reality, and a conscious person lives simultaneously on every plane of reality. And so finally, you understand that as an incarnate, you are on earth, and as you become more aware, the only acts you can do are those acts which relieve suffering. And you become an instrument of the relief of suffering at every level you can find to do it at. Not with your head, but with your heart, your intuition. And at the same moment, you understand that it's all perfect, including your part is that which relieves suffering and the sufferer. In truth, there is nothing to do and there is nobody to do it. In relative truth, there is lots to do and there are plenty of us to do it.